channel, and this is Levi over here, and my name is Malala, and I'm just this is not TikTok, this is YouTube. Yes. Wow, what a beautiful evening in Cape Town, South Africa. Yes, so we just want to cross over here and just go over to this side and find my way. Yeah, so I want to find my way to the waterfront. Okay, so I think I'm gonna follow this side. Yeah, this is the side where I think alright, so let's see where I'm going. And alright. Wow, this looks beautiful over here. Very nice. And what a beautiful image of the sun over here. As you can see, this is Malala over here, guys. As you can see, this is it. All right, so let's make our way to the waterfront. Yeah, so this is the shortest way to getting to waterfront. And as you can see, there's a lot of people coming from work. So yeah, so it's just a nice chilled evening, people rushing home, but I just want to catch something here in the waterfront, so, and also bring you the vibe that is down that side. So yes, so come along as I show you what is gonna be happening on this other side of waterfront. It's been a while, so I don't know if there is some changes or anything, but yeah, nonetheless, let's get there and see also what's going on. So this is the mood towards waterfront, just crossing this bridge over here. And yeah, welcome to Cape Town, guys. This is Malala, and enjoy the video, guys. More and more people coming from work. So this is how it goes. Every evening there's always a huge traffic of people coming from work, and it seems to have been a long day. And as you can see, it's a weekend also, so it has been quite a long day. Everyone coming from work or is a little bit tired. Then the lady over there is really tired. Yeah, so this is it, guys, and I'm gonna be taking you to the waterfront, guys. Waterfront. So guys, this is the way to the waterfront, as you can see. So let's go, come along. Wow, a lot of traffic here, but yes, now we're gonna get to cross when the traffic light is red. Time to cross, guys. Let's go. Wow, can't believe that it's 5:30 now. The sun is really hot and there's a very good atmosphere. It's kind of a different feeling, man, you know. It's kind of like you've just flipped into a different city. So yeah, guys, this is waterfront. Let's get in and see what's going on. Yeah, so you can see a lot of activities going on. There's the kids who are paddling over there. All right, and yes, so waterfront is basically the hub of the of the tourists, and also how can I say it, VIP entertainment, and also very spacious malls and the hotels, and yeah, it's just a place where there's a sweet life. That's all I can say. It's a place where there's a sweet life. But yeah, I'll take you along so that you can also judge it from your own view of the video, and also let me know if you can come this side. Oh yeah, so that is it, guys. So that's what is happening over here as of now. Yeah, so this is it, guys. We are here at the waterfront walking, and yeah, just wanna give you the vibe of the waterfront this evening so that you can know also what is going on. So yeah, so this is it, guys, and let's do it. Yeah, very nice view there, the signal here. Wow, this is amazing. Lots and lots of tourists, and yeah, this looks nice. So wait over here again. So this is it, guys. So this is the waterfront, guys. Welcome to waterfront. Everything is here, as you can see, and this is how the vibe is here. Yeah, a lot of artistical works, images, and all that. And yeah, so this is the view over here, guys. So we're gonna be crossing just on the footpaths here. See, also there's a ship dock over here. Yeah, I think there's some ships which are being made over here, and as you can see, it's a very huge ship. But yeah, so let's cross over here and see what is actually on this other side of waterfront. So yeah, how's it? All right, so yeah, this other route is a little bit quiet and cool. Very nice and cool breeze over here, guys. So this is it, guys. So just crossing over here to this alley. You can see how it is. It's very quiet. How's it? Are you good? Sure. All right, all right. What are you selling? Okay. All right. So, guys, as you know, I love coffee, and this is one place over here, and I just want to check if I can get. Can I try Americano?
Americano one?
Yes.
Yeah, for sure.
But put for me a little bit of hot milk
Okay.
and then cold milk.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Thank you.
And the
How's it?
CBD one.
Not really the CBD, just a normal one, but
Okay.
I don't want it to be that hot because yeah.
It's just normal, huh?
All right.
Normal American.
Not CBD one,
No froth. No froth.
but
no.
the CBD flavor.
Which-
Like the CBD flavor.
Whichever flavor. Let me try that. No, not that one. That's the normal
Oh.
one. Yeah. Actually, the guy wanted to sell me this one. No, but yeah. So I'll just take the normal one. And yes. So, Chief, what is the name of this coffee shop, or is it a restaurant or just a
So
coffee
we
shop?
have a bistro here.
Okay.
In the mornings we do cooking classes.
All right.
Like tonight we have date night happening.
Okay.
So I'll show you inside. So it's called Stir Crazy.
Stir Crazy.
Culinary Academy. Yeah.
All right.
So we have cooking classes that happen here.
Okay. Wow.
That stuff.
Hello. I see you guys are preparing something nice, eh? I love fish. I grew up in the lakeside from Kenya. Yes.
Yeah, so we have date night happening tonight.
Really? Yeah, I love fish. I love fish a lot.
So yeah,
Yeah,
so we have
so-
cooking classes here. We have a little coffee shop that's open
All right.
during the
We
week,
just
and then
need
so we open Monday to Saturday.
Okay.
During the week, from Monday to Friday, it's from like 7:30 until 3.
3.
And then on Saturdays from 7:30 to 12.
All right. And how is business in general? Like, is it busy or it's always just quiet like
No,
this?
it
Or
is
you
busy.
deal with bookings?
We do bookings, so you book
Okay, all right.
online through our website.
Wow.
Yeah, and then
What is your website or what is your
so
social
I'll
media
give
name?
you one, and then
Okay.
so it's called Stir Crazy, and then yeah. So then all of our so if you just go, you can go on Instagram or whatever and just search Stir Crazy Cooking, and it will pop up.
All right, guys, as you can see, I'm here by this nice bistro here. It's called the Star Crazy.
Everyone
All
must
right,
see
all
my
right, Chief, so-
athletic, yeah.
So what's your name?
I'm Sisonga King.
Sisonga. All right. So what do you do here basically?
Oh,
Because I see you've made for me a very nice coffee over here, and I love the taste. I love everything about it.
That's me, King. Every
Yes,
coffee
yes.
I make, I expect it with love, King.
Okay, alright, yes.
So I'm Sisonga Matsotsi. I'm a bartender.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
from Kailija from the townships.
All right.
Yeah, so I got this opportunity from here and Stay Crazy. You can come and guys, come and enjoy
Yes,
it
yes.
as my king
So,
says.
so
yeah.
guys, as you can see, I'm here with my new friend over here,
Yeah,
and he
yeah.
made me a very nice coffee,
Americano.
of which I cannot lie. The coffee tastes very nice.
Yeah, but you do
So-
have CBD flavors
Yeah.
there.
So also, if you want, there's a CBD flavor over there. And guys, this is their menu for the coffees. So you can see over there, or maybe if you want, you can just post the video and just have a look. So this is the Star Crazy Bistro coffee section, manned by one and only
Sisonge.
Sisonge. All right, thank you so much, Sisonge. My chief, thank you so much.
No problem, man.
I've really enjoyed, and yeah. So guys, you can come to this place over here. Is a bistro. It's called Star Crazy. As you can see, I've showed you a little bit of inside, and yeah, we'll let you know if they're gonna be having any events during the Valentine's, and then we can give you an exclusive video and the program which they're gonna be having. So gents, thank you so much.
So peace, guys.
Cheers.
One love.
Alright, sure. Yeah, so guys, that's it, and yeah. It's always a vibe, man. It's always a vibe out here, walking around and also meeting new guys. And yeah, I was actually thinking of going to get a coffee, but the place I normally buy the coffee was a little bit far. So I think the universe just responded, and yeah, so I got this my coffee over here. The coffee is only 28 rands. That's a good price for waterfront, guys. So yeah, so cheers. So guys, as you can see, we are here still walking through the Cape Grace Hotel, passing through here, and this other side the ships are docked over here, and this is waterfront. Welcome to waterfront, guys. This is it. Yeah, me as I show you the waterfront today. So guys, as you can see, there's beautiful yacht over there. As you can see, the yachts are docked over there, and yeah, so that is it. And yeah, we are here at the first bridge of the waterfront, guys. And this bridge, it literally opens up when the ships and the yachts wanna pass through. And as you can see, the beautiful sunsets this side. Yes.
What's your?
How are you? How are you?
I'm good, my guy.
Which side are you from? This side?
Oh, like here in Cape Town.
No, like this other side. Where you coming
Oh, we're coming from Lifegren.
from? Lifegren.
Yeah.
So how was it? How is the
Vibe.
How is the vibe there in waterfront? All right. Do you like it? Do you come here every time, or you just come here
Yeah,
today?
like on paydays.
On payday. Cheers, man. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, so guys, yeah, it's always good to enjoy yourself sometimes, and also just have a little bit of time for yourself. As you know, also life is what you make it, and also each day, each step, you have to do something that you enjoy. Yeah, so as you have heard from them, they only come here on payday. So guys, it means the prices over here are not pocket friendly if you are a cry little darling. So let's see what the waterfront has to offer. As you can see already, there's a lot of people now on this other side, lots of restaurants, and yeah, so guys, this is Malala. Welcome to waterfront, as you can see. So yeah. Seems like there's a lot of activities going on. Yeah. And guys, so this is my view from this other side of waterfront facing Cape Town. And yeah, so you can see the view how it is. This is waterfront, and this is my view from this other side. Alright guys, so lots of activities going on. Yeah, music playing, all that. Yeah. As you can see, that's what happens here in Waterfront. Lots of entertainment, lots of enjoyment, yeah, and yeah, this is just the beginning, and this is it. Let's keep moving and seeing what goes on over here. Yeah, so guys, Waterfront is very big. I don't even know which side to head to because it seems like there's a vibe in each and every corner, guys. So I'll show you whatever my lens can bring to you. As you can see, people are taking very nice photos over there. What's Cape Town? How's it, bro? How are you? Can you please help me just to vlog along this as you follow me? I want to walk on this in front of this. I want to walk in front of these letters. So I just want you to help me follow me. Like, just stand there, but then you just follow me as I walk from there. Right? Thank you. Or you shy for the camera? You shy? Why are you shy? Okay, sure. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Alright, so guys, as you have seen, this is the vibe here in Waterfront, and yeah. This is not TikTok, this is YouTube. Yes. Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, just meeting a friend of mine here, and yes, what are you doing here? Are you Chinese? Wow! I came to the Chinese.
This is the sweetest man I've ever met.
Really? Wow! Thank you so much. I'm humble.
It's very sweet. It's
How are
very
you?
Kind,
How are you?
hardworking man.
Wow! So
This is my cousin.
this is your cousin. What's your name?
Sibu.
Sibo. And
Nice
you?
to meet you. Zika.
Can you introduce yourself to my viewers?
Oh, this is Zika. We work in
Okay.
the same building.
Yes, yes.
He's a kind man, sweet
Alright.
man,
Okay.
loving one. Oh,
So what is
I also have something to say.
Okay.
Oh, by the way,
Yes. Can stand together so that
my cousin,
yeah.
just so you know, my cousin
Yes.
knows a little bit or a lot about you.
Okay.
And she's like, oh, I know this guy, I know this guy. So I guess now I'm here.
I'm jealous.
Yeah. No, I'm not.
Since now it's balanced because I know both of you.
You see? Okay. You get